Hello and welcome to the highlights of the second test between Pakistan and Bangladesh. It's day 5 at the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium. Quick look at the match summary. Pakistan 274 in the first innings, Bangladesh 12 behind with 262. Pakistan then faltered and scored only 172 second time around. Bangladesh 42 not out at the end of play on day 4. Bangladesh need 143 to win, with the whole of day 5 available to them.
Muhammad Ali to bowl the first ball.
That's a good start. Just a hint of shape. The around the wicket angle from the right-handed seamers to the left-handers has been the order of the test match. And that happens when luck isn't on your side. Brilliant delivery, squares him up.
Oh, it's well bowled. So much better from the Pakistan quicks. You felt something was coming, the pressure was building. And that is a high-class delivery from Mir Hamza.
What a ripper. Just holds the angle, just holds the line. And undoes Zakir Hasan. Hit top of off? Yes, sir. He'll take that. Pakistan will believe. 58 for 1. Zakir walks back for a very well-made 40.
In the air, oh, just clipped over the top. That's a good shot. He's just made sure that he's gone over the field. Good option taken by Shadman. Consistently on a length. Short wide, has a go at it and hits it really well. Very good from Shadman, the opportunity, and he pounces on it. In the air and gone. Exactly that. He was working on making Shadman drive, and the drive this time goes straight to Shan Masood.
That's a soft dismissal. It's a nothing shot. A straightforward hit to mid-off. And Shan Masood does the rest. Look at him go. He knows how important it is. Now they've opened up both ends. So both the openers now gone. And it is that man once again, Khurram Shahzad, who picks up another wicket. Shadman goes for 24. Bangladesh 70 for 2.
Edge, oh, goes through the gap. Goes to the fence. Pakistan look around. Yeah, Khurram Shahzad just hangs his head. That has gone through the gap. 80 for 2.
Yeah, very thin margins there. You try to bowl full, angle it into the stumps, and minute you go, middle leg, this is what happens. There's a boundary there for Shanto. Yeah, that's hit hard. Driven straight, 2 full on that occasion. Khurram Shahzad, thrashed down with that boundary.
Create opportunities here. Again short and pumped away. Well, there's a cracking shot from the skipper.
Goes well in front of square. And goes through the gap. Gets 4. Just stayed slightly low, but once again the line down the leg side. They run through for 2. And the overthrow will get them 3. This needs to stop. Somebody get a hold of the ball. And they've eventually managed to. They pick up 3 just before lunch. A 52-run partnership as well between Shanto and Mominul. Shanto and Mominul will walk back with 33 and 20 respectively.
At lunch, Bangladesh 122 for 2, looking good. Lost 2 wickets in the process, but still looking strong with Shanto and Mominul batting at ease. Pakistan bowlers, a wicket each for Hamza and Khurram. Abrar still going wicketless. Ali and Salman also putting a hand in, but Bangladesh looking ever so strong. So the match summary clearly shows the bottom part of it. Bangladesh needs 63 runs to win. Start of session 2 on day 5. Let's join the action.
The lone slip. Amir Bhai, an impressive partnership, and this has been Bangladesh throughout the series.
He doesn't like Salman bowling there. That's why he's been attempting this stroke. And this time around, it was executed with some effect. A boundary for the captain.
Gone. Straight off the bat and picked up by Abdullah Shafiq. The umpires will have a word, but it seems as if it's a very good catch at short leg.
TV umpire to director, we have an umpire review for bump ball. I have checked the feet, it's a fair delivery. Can you show me the angle for this one, please? Do you have anything else to show from front on, please? Yeah, roll it back one more time, please. Yeah, now roll forward. Ball bounced before the bat, and straight from the bat, it went straight into the hand of the short leg fielder. Roll it, just to complete the catch. Yes, satisfied. I'm ready to make my decision.
Straight off the bat and just waiting for OUT. And it is a very good catch from Abdullah Shafiq, keeping with the ball, keeping low. Shanto, well, he's disappointed, batted well for his 38. Bangladesh lose their third, 127 for 3. And he goes short and is punished. That's an excellent back cut, which races away to the fence. Yeah, so the right-handers. Edge, oh, it again finds that gap. That gap between a slip and a gully and goes to the fence.
It's high in the air. There's a chance for mid-off. That will be a soft dismissal. You might call it unnecessary, but it has given the desired result to Abrar and Pakistan. One more falls.
Mid-on and mid-off, close enough. He thought he was in business to hit it over the top of the infield. Not the right choice. And also the last ball of this over. Just wanted to pick up a boundary. Not the case. He lobs it straight into the hands of Saim Ayub. So Abrar finally picks up his first wicket. Mominal goes for 34. Bangladesh 153 for 4.
We'll see how that one plays out. This one is playing out all in Bangladesh's hands at the moment. A big bang onto the side screen on impact. And Shakib Ul Hasan, he decided he wants to get on with this. Only 16 now required.
Yeah, Shakib's seen enough. He's decided it's time to get on with it. The two men are up, and why don't you? On the pull, he's got a top edge, and this will land safe and go for 4.
Recently, that's slashed away. That's gone to the boundary. It's over. Bangladesh have gone on to win their first ever series. 2-0. Bangladesh have done the Bangla wash. Yes, incredible scenes here. Very good indeed. There's something very special and something for each and every one here and also back home will remember for a very, very long time. Nice to see two senior campaigner. Really nice to see the experienced campaigner to be there till the very end.
So Bangladesh getting to 185 with 6 wickets in hand and completing the series win 2-0 and a very good win away from home. A historic mark victory for Bangladesh against Pakistan in Pakistan. Pakistan bowlers, a wicket each for Hamza, Shehzad, Abrar and Salman Agha. Mohammad Ali was wicketless. It was a tiring work for the bowlers throughout the test match and Bangladesh came out to be the superior side. So once again, quick look at the match summary. Pakistan 274 in their first innings after asked to bat first. Bangladesh 12 behind with 262 and then Pakistan faltered a bit, could not pile on a big total, 172 all out with a lead of 184. The target was 185 which Bangladesh completed with 4 wickets lost. Bangladesh won the test match by 6 wickets and the series 2-0. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of the second test match at the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium between Pakistan and Bangladesh. Until next time, it's goodbye.